I am come from Australia. Is this okay? Let's find out. What's up guys, my name is Shane and today we are talking about basic English phrases that you need to know. When you meet someone new, you might want to ask them their name, where they're from, what language they speak. So today we look at how to ask and how to answer those questions. And make sure you watch until the end of the video because there will be a quiz to test your understanding. Okay, let's get started. The first phrase for today is, what's your name? What's your name? This is the most basic way to ask someone's name. When a native speaker says this really quickly, it sounds like this. What's your name? What's your name? We don't say what's your, we say what's ya. What's your name? Now you try. What's your name? And the most common answer to this question is my name's. My name's. And then you say your name. For me, my name's Shane. My name's Shane. You can also say I'm. For me, I would say I'm Shane. I'm Shane. What if we're talking about somebody else? This man. We want to know his name. So what's the question? We could say, what's his name? What's his name? And the answer is, his name is John. His name is Fred. What about a woman? This woman here. How can we ask about her name? We can say, what's her name? What's her name? And the answer is, her name is Mary, Jane. What if I ask you, what's my name? What's my name? What can you say to me? You can say, your name is. So for me, you can say, your name is Shane. Your name is Shane. So just remember, what's your name? My name is. What's his name? His name is. What's her name? Her name is. And what's my name? Your name is. And the second phrase for today is, where are you from? Where are you from? When a native speaker says this really quickly, it sounds like this. Where are you from? Where are you from? We don't say you, we say ya. And the where and the are come together. Where are you from? Where are you from? Now you try. Where are you from? And the most common answer for this question is, I'm from. For me, I'm from Australia. I'm from Australia. What about if you want to ask about this man again? What's the question about his country? You can say, where is he from? Where is he from? And the answer is, he is from Australia, Brazil, China. And what about the woman? We want to ask about her country. What's the question? We can say, where is she from? Where is she from? And the answer, she is from Brazil, China, Thailand. And what if I ask you where I am from? You can say, you are from Australia. So just remember, where are you from? I'm from. Where is he from? He's from. Where is she from? She's from. And where am I from? You're from. And I also just want to say, if somebody ever asks you, where are you from? You can answer, I come from Australia. But this isn't very common. The most common answer is, I'm from Australia. And the next phrase is, do you speak English? Do you speak English? This is the most common way to ask someone if they speak English. And when a native speaker says this really quickly, it sounds like this. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? We don't say do you, we say do. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Now you try. Do you speak English? And if you want to answer the question, you can say, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Or, no, I don't. But all of you watching my videos, I know that you can speak English, so you can say, yes, I do. And if you want to say you speak English a little bit, you can say, yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit. Now, this man, we want to ask about him and English. What's the question? Does he speak English? Does he speak English? And the answer is, yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. And what about the woman? Does she speak English? Does she speak English? The answer is yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. And what about if I ask you, do I speak English? You can answer, yes, you do, or if you think so, no, you don't. No, you don't. So just remember, do you speak English? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he speak English? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. And does she speak English? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Okay, we have learned 3 basic phrases for today, but let's just quickly test your understanding with a quiz. I will show you a sentence with a missing word, and I want you to tell me what is the correct word. Let's have a look at the first one. Where is from for a man? Where is from for a man? The correct answer is, where is he from? Where is he from? Question 2. I'm Australia. I'm Australia. The correct answer is, I'm from Australia. I'm from Australia. We don't say, I'm come from Australia. No, 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 no. Question 3. Your name. Your name. The answer is, what's your name? What's your name? You can say, what is your name? But native speakers like to make words shorter, so we say, what's your name? Number 4. What's name for a woman? What's name for a woman? What's her name? What's her name? Okay, and the last question, question number 5. Speak English. Speak English for a woman. For a woman. The correct answer is, does she speak English? Not do she, we say does. We normally say does with he and she. So the correct answer is, does she speak English. Okay, that is the end of the quiz and the end of the lesson today. Comment down below and tell me how many did you get right. And if you have any questions, please comment them down below. And if you're interested in more beginner English videos, check out this video right here. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe right now so you don't miss any video that can help you understand English like a native speaker. If you liked the video, please hit like and share this with your friends who are learning English. And for more English, follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you in the next video. What's the car? This man, we want to know, can he speak English?